Welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about constructors in Java. A constructor is a special method that it is used to create and initialize objects when they are first created. It's like a magical process that gives life to your objects and sets them up with the initial values they need. Let's continue with the car example. To create a constructor, we have to name it as the class name. The class here, car, inside the scope, we need to define the constructor. So I'll make here constructor, and starting with the public keyword. Later on, in the next videos, we'll talk about modifiers and access modifiers, but now focus with me on the constructors. Car, exactly as the name of the class. Pay attention, please, guys. And followed by these parentheses, because it's a method, a special method. When creating the object of a car, we need to define these attributes. Let me show you. We have two states, the year and the speed. I'll pass them here, int speed and int year. Then in the constructor, we set, here I'll name it as car speed and car year. Here we set the year equal to car year and the speed equal to car speed. So these two parameters are like placeholders where we'll put the actual values when we create a car object. So when we create an object of the car, we define its speed and its year and set them to the values of these states. Now let's create a car object using this constructor. Let's go up. And here we have an error because we need to pass two arguments, expected two arguments, but found 0. So we need to pass the arguments of the speed and the year of this car. So I removed these attributes, and now I'll start with the car speed, which is 100, and the car year, which is 2023. Please, guys, focus with me. These are hints. So these are auto-generated hints by Android Studio. You don't need to put and write car speed keyword. Just put 100 and just put 2023. Let's run our program. And as expected, we created an object called red car with a car speed 100. We accelerated by 10, then by another 10, and then we brake, removing 5 from its speed. So this is how we use constructors in Java.